Hello, and welcome to another video blog from Leyba Defense PLLC here in Seattle, Washington. I'm the firm owner, Matthew Leyba, and today I wanted to talk to you about the types of questions you should ask when interviewing potential DUI attorneys for representation. So in my opinion, there are 5 questions that you should always ask. First, do you exclusively represent people charged with DUI offenses? This is a very complicated area of the law, and if an attorney practices in several different areas, I do not believe they will be as effective as a DUI attorney that solely represents people charged with DUI offenses. The second question I would ask is, what's your experience? How many years have you been practicing? How many cases have you taken to trial, etc.? The third question I would ask is, what's your success rate? What percentage of cases do you have that have been dismissed, that have gone to trial and been found not guilty, your conviction rate, your reduction rate, things like that. The fourth question I would ask is, how many cases do you have? There are lots of attorneys out there that will just try to get as many cases as possible. And I do not believe that is a good way to practice. Obviously, the more cases an attorney has, the less time that they are going to be able to spend on your case. And then the last question I would ask is, what are your fees? Obviously, if you have a budget of $5,000 and you're speaking with an attorney who charges $25,000, that's going to be a waste of not only your time, but the attorney's time. So find out what the fees are up front. That way you have an idea of how much everything would cost. So if you've been charged with a DUI and you are looking for different DUI lawyers, those are the questions that I would ask, and I would make a list of their responses, the pros and cons, and then ultimately decide on the attorney that you feel is going to give you the best shot of beating the charge, as well as someone that you feel comfortable with. Again, this is Matthew Leyba from Leyba Defense PLLC, and be on the lookout for any future videos dealing with anything and everything DUI related. Thank you.